Who doesn't love the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola, the global icon with its satisfying fizz? It's the #1 soft drink in the world, a title it has held for a long time. Remarkably, Diet Coke follows as the second most popular soda. But have you ever wondered what goes into that iconic red can? Let's go behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of Coca-Cola, exploring its history, ingredients, manufacturing process, and the meticulous quality control that ensures every can and bottle is perfect. The story of Coca-Cola begins in 1886 in Atlanta, Georgia, with a curious pharmacist named John Pemberton. Seeking an effective yet refreshing headache remedy, Pemberton concocted a syrup from botanical extracts, caramel coloring, and, most importantly, a secret recipe. This creation was initially known as Pemberton's French wine coca, mixed with soda water and sold at a pharmacy. Little did Pemberton know, he had created a beverage that would change the world. Pemberton was driven by a desire to create a product that was not only medicinal but also enjoyable to consume. His innovative spirit led him to experiment with various ingredients, eventually stumbling upon a combination that struck the perfect balance between effectiveness and taste. This initial concoction was a far cry from the Coca-Cola we know today, but it laid the foundation for what would become one of the most iconic brands in history. While the exact formula for Coca-Cola syrup remains one of the most closely guarded secrets, we know it includes carbonated water, high fructose corn syrup, or sugar in some regions, caramel color, phosphoric acid, natural flavors, and a secret blend of botanical extracts. The magic of Coca-Cola lies not just in its flavor, but also in its signature fizz, created by carbon dioxide gas added during manufacturing. This gas dissolves in the water, forming tiny bubbles that give Coca-Cola its refreshing bite. The secret formula, often referred to as Merchandise 7X, is a closely guarded trade secret. According to legend, the recipe is kept in a vault at the World of Coca-Cola Museum in Atlanta, and only 2 Coca-Cola employees are privy to its contents at any given time. These individuals are not allowed to travel together, ensuring that the recipe remains protected. If one of them dies, a successor is chosen to carry on the tradition. This level of secrecy has only added to the mystique and allure of Coca-Cola. The journey of Coca-Cola begins with the syrup concentrate made exclusively in Atlanta. From there, this top-secret concentrate is shipped to Coca-Cola's trusted partners worldwide. Once the syrup reaches its destination, it is combined with pure, filtered water and sweeteners in massive mixing tanks. The exact ratio of ingredients varies based on regional preferences to ensure consistent taste. This customization ensures that Coca-Cola retains its iconic flavor while catering to local tastes and preferences. The process of filtering the water used in Coca-Cola is extensive and rigorous. Water quality is paramount to the final product, and Coca-Cola takes great care to ensure that only the purest water is used. The water undergoes several stages of filtration, including reverse osmosis, carbon filtration, and UV treatment. These processes remove impurities and ensure that the water meets the highest standards of quality and safety. Once blended, the mixture is carbonated in a special chamber, infusing it with carbon dioxide under controlled pressure and temperature. The carbon dioxide not only gives Coca-Cola its signature fizz, but also enhances the overall taste experience. The carbonation process is carefully monitored to ensure that the right amount of gas is infused into the beverage, creating the perfect level of effervescence. The carbonated beverage is then ready to be bottled. Coca-Cola has a rich history of bottles, with the first glass bottle created in 1899. Today, Coca-Cola is packaged in glass bottles, plastic bottles, and metal cans. The carbonated mixture is filled into containers by high-speed machinery, ensuring precision and minimizing movement to prevent fizzing. The iconic glass bottle, known for its distinct contour shape, has become a symbol of the brand and a testament to its enduring appeal. The design of the Coca-Cola bottle has undergone several changes over the years. The original bottle was simple and unremarkable, but as the brand grew in popularity, the need for a distinctive bottle became apparent. In 1915, the Root Glass Company created the now famous Contour bottle, designed to be easily recognizable even in the dark. This design has remained largely unchanged since 1957, a testament to its timeless appeal and functional design. Before reaching consumers, Coca-Cola undergoes rigorous quality control checks to ensure consistency in taste, fizz, and safety. From taste tests to microscopic examinations, no detail is spared to guarantee that every bottle is perfect. Quality control is an integral part of the Coca-Cola production process, and the company invests heavily in ensuring that every aspect of the product meets the highest standards. Quality control begins with the raw ingredients. Each batch of ingredients is tested for purity and consistency before it is used in production. The water used in Coca-Cola is tested for contaminants, and the syrup concentrate is analyzed to ensure it meets the company's stringent quality standards. Throughout the manufacturing process, samples are taken and tested at various stages to ensure that the final product meets the company's exacting standards. One of the most fascinating aspects of Coca-Cola's quality control is the taste test. Trained sensory analysts, often referred to as Coke tasters, evaluate samples of Coca-Cola to ensure that the flavor profile is consistent. These individuals have highly developed palates and are able to detect even the slightest variations in taste. Their feedback is invaluable in maintaining the consistency and quality of Coca-Cola. In addition to taste tests, Coca-Cola employs advanced technology to monitor the production process. Automated systems track the mixing, carbonation, and bottling processes, ensuring that each step is carried out with precision. Any deviations from the standard process are immediately flagged and corrected, ensuring that every bottle of Coca-Cola meets the company's high standards. The meticulous effort and rich history behind Coca-Cola make it the #1 beverage in the world. The brand has become synonymous with refreshment and enjoyment, and its iconic red and white logo is recognized around the globe. Coca-Cola's success can be attributed to its unwavering commitment to quality, innovation, and customer satisfaction. Coca-Cola's impact extends beyond the beverage itself. The brand has become a cultural icon associated with happiness, celebration, and togetherness. Coca-Cola's marketing campaigns have played a significant role in shaping its image and creating a strong emotional connection with consumers. From the famous "I'd like to buy the world a Coke" commercial to the beloved Coca-Cola polar bears, the brand's advertising has left an indelible mark on popular culture. Coca-Cola's commitment to sustainability and social responsibility is another key aspect of its success. The company has implemented numerous initiatives to reduce its environmental footprint and support communities around the world. From water conservation efforts to recycling programs, Coca-Cola is dedicated to making a positive impact on the planet. The Coca-Cola Foundation, the company's philanthropic arm, supports a wide range of initiatives aimed at improving the lives of people around the world. The foundation focuses on areas such as education, health, and economic development, providing grants and support to organizations that are making a difference in their communities. In recent years, Coca-Cola has also made strides in promoting healthier beverage options. The company has introduced a variety of low and no-calorie beverages, as well as options with reduced sugar content. These efforts reflect Coca-Cola's commitment to meeting the changing needs and preferences of consumers while maintaining the quality and taste that have made it a global icon. The story of Coca-Cola is one of innovation, perseverance, and a relentless pursuit of quality. From its humble beginnings in a small pharmacy in Atlanta to its status as a global powerhouse, Coca-Cola has remained true to its roots while continuously evolving to meet the demands of a changing world. So, the next time you crack open a can of Coca-Cola, take a moment to appreciate the journey and craftsmanship that went into creating this global icon. Enjoy the refreshing taste of Coca-Cola, and remember the history, effort, and dedication that make every sip a testament to the brand's enduring legacy.